Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Arithmetic, Problem 23. This is the Arithmetic ACCUPLACER Review, problem number 23. We have to add 5/8 plus 1/6. Now what makes this difficult is you have to find the common denominator. A common mistake is just to add across the top 5 plus 1 and add across the bottom 8 plus 6. And that is how you multiply fractions, but for adding and subtracting you do need a common denominator. I like to write the problem vertically, so I'm going to rewrite it next to it. I'm going to do 5/8 underneath 1/6 and make it a plus. Now, to find the common denominator, there is a 4-step process, which you've probably seen, but you might not remember. What I like to do is just take the larger of the two denominators and go times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. Keep trying to divide in the smaller one until you make it fit. And that way you don't have to remember so many steps, and it works. So to start off, will 6 divide into 8 evenly? No, it won't. Go to the next one. 8 times 2 is 16. Will 6 go in? No, it won't. Go to the next one. 8 times 3 is 24. Will 6 go in? No, it does. So they both divide into 24 evenly, so that will be my common denominator. So I'm going to convert each fraction into something over 24. And in fact, I know now the answer is going to be something over 24. Just have to figure out the top. So for the 5/8, what's an equivalent fraction? So 8 times what got me to 24? It was times 3. So to keep the fraction equivalent, the top, or numerator, must also be multiplied times 3. 5 times 3 will give me 15. So 15/24 really is the same as 5/8, but I've put it into a form where I can combine it with that other fraction. Now for the bottom, 6 times what made it 24? Well, 6 times 4. So again, for the fraction to be equivalent, the top must be multiplied times the same amount, also times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I can add 15 plus 4 more is 19. Usually at this point you want to see if you can reduce it if you can. This is not going to reduce, like 18/24 would reduce pretty nicely. But if I look, 19/24 of my list of options is one of the available options. It's option D, so that's the answer, D.